Resting after the bike all the way to the beach and coming back, found food line, a supermarket to get some yogurt, some sugar. Going back, wow, it's not easy. Bicycle, hill, I'm a bit tired. Take my time, rest. I was thinking about this idea, ignorance is bliss. If you know all the world problem, it's so much of a pain. If you don't recognize as much, ignorance is bliss. Draw a line. How much can you? What's the feasibility? That's how the brain works. But just one step at a time, the road may open up. I was a bit depressed this morning because GPT said that my business account, I wanted to cancel, and GPT was sure that it was cancelled, but this morning I got the bill. And their interaction is so complex, it shouldn't be. And you follow and something doesn't work, so you have to go back and forth as usual. That's not the road that you want to walk. If you are proposing something, you should know. Why don't they just simulate if it's gonna work before promising this is the way? And check it first, assure it, and then give instruction one step at a time. Theoretically and pragmatically, I believe that should be able to be done. This is the worst kind of waste, processing waste, promising and saying that it doesn't work. That combined with the bicycle, maybe I'm in a foul mood. That's why I go back to say ignorance is bliss. That's always possible, that you just accept everything as it is. Don't keep your expectation valid. Just forget about it. Empty-minded. And then focus on how you're feeling in the body. Because if the body is not functioning, tired, energy is lost, that's not what you want to be. Take time. Eat yogurt. Get some sugar and protein. Take a rest. But anyway, after 7 days, I finally found the way to the beach. The first attempt. It wasn't so simple, but on the way back, I think I found the way better than what the Google suggested. So, the experiential learning, not just theoretical way to live life. Check with the reality. If it's not quite right, go back to the origin. Be empty-minded, no mind. And confirm the base. Charge up the energy and move on. Confirm one step at a time. Let's make sure do it right and go through CAPD, check, act, plan, do, over and over and over and over. That's the way for the mastery. Also find the middle way. Don't push too much to the detriment of the body too tired. It's not gonna work. Have a good balance, middle way. Let's do it. Also believe that maybe the end of my book. At the book, you start again. CAPD.